Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss about the variants of QR code. This is a QR code. This is a QR code. This is a QR code too. QR code, QR code. So there are different variants of QR code. Like barcode that you saw in the previous video, QR codes come in multiple variants too, each of them tailored for specific applications and use cases. So let's explore them. There is a standard QR code, also known as Model 2 QR code. And this is the most widely used QR code in the world today. It has this maximum capacity, and it includes alignment patterns for enhanced scanning accuracy. You will find it in advertisement, product packaging, and digital payments. There is another model that's less popular today called Model 1 QR code. This is early QR code version and it's less commonly used today. It supports up to 14 alphanumeric characters, and it's restricted to the AFT only, no more than the AFT. Yeah, it was encoding minimal data. That's where things were starting. Yeah, we evolved, but it's still there in the history. There's a micro QR code. Looks like this. Note how small it is. If you look at the standard, check the structure, and micro QR code, check the structure. It's a compact, and it's used for small items. It can encode up to 21 alphanumeric characters. You find it on tiny electronics, circuit boards, or small packaging. IQR code. This is how it looks like. Compared it to a standard QR code, it looks different. It's a high-capacity QR code with flexible rectangular or square format. Can you believe it? It supports 40% more accuracy than standard code. And it can encode up to 48,000 numeric characters. This is ideal for industrial purposes. Supports long URLs or large data sets. Frame QR code. Have you noticed we have a logo here? Frame means it holds a frame designed for logos. Yeah. So if you want to add branding on this QR code, you can do that. As you can see, it has a similar structure as a standard QR code or Model 2 QR code, but it reserves a space for you to insert branding or logos. It's used in brand advertisements or product promotions. Then secure QR code. Secure QR code looks like this. See the difference compared to how frame QR code looks like, or QR code, or micro QR code, or standard QR code. You can see how it's different. It's for applications requiring restricted or secure data access. It will encode encrypted or restricted data readable only by authorized scanners. It will be found in a secure system like payment, gateways, or access control. There is also a QR code with kanji kana. If you want to encode, for example, a Japanese hello world, this is a konnichiwa sekai. That means hello world. Konnichiwa sekai. If you want to encode this, we'll use this type of encoding. So this is designed for encoding Japanese kanji or kana characters. It's optimized to encode double byte character sets efficiently. It will be found in Japanese products or documents. This is a similar QR code with Korean. This is a Korean 안녕하세요 세계. And if you want to encode this Korean, we use this type of QR code encoding. It's designed for encoding Korean character, supports the byte character set, and it's found on Korean products, documents, and advertisements. This is another variant. This is not a new variant, but some companies, for branding and security purposes, they can combine different variants. For example, this is a QR code branding WeChat, a Chinese platform. And this has combined secure and frame. So this is secure, and it also has a frame. So different companies can combine different types of or different features. For example, on WeChat QR code used for payment and branding, you will find this kind of QR code. After generating a QR code, you can edit it. But when you're editing a QR code to reflect your branding, please pay attention to not or hide or remove the features that's useful for scanning. So this QR code is this one, this frame QR code, but it's been edited to add this purple color for promotion purposes or branding purposes. But whatever we're doing, you need to maintain code readability, and you need to test before you deploy it where people should scan it. You have to test it and see that after you read it, it is still readable. Why variants matter? Each QR code variant is tailored for unique use cases, whether it's handling compact data, branding, or high security. Variants like IQR or secure QR code offer significantly higher capacity security. Options like frame QR code and customized QR code provide flexibility for branding and creative design. This is the end of the presentation about the variants of QR code. We have roughly 10 variants. You can find more. This list is not exclusive, but we roughly have 10 categories. Standard one, which also known as Model 2. Model 1, which is where things started and really seen today. Micro QR code for constrained spaces. IQR code to store large data sets. Frame for branding purposes. Secure QR code when the security matters a lot. And QR code with the kanji kana, like this Konnichiwa Sekai, doing codes like Konnichiwa Sekai in Japanese, or if you want to icon something like Annyeonghaseyo Seike in the Korean. Yeah. Or if you want to take different variants and combine them to come up with your own proprietary QR code, like which I did, yeah, you can do that. And you can also design. You're allowed to use Photoshop, Illustrator, Paint to add some looks that you want after generating QR code. But in doing that, you need to pay attention so that you don't lose the features that are useful for QR code scanning. Yeah, so you have the code, everything, and it's uploaded here in this repository. You'll find the code, how to generate this code, how to decode them, everything that you saw me presenting, you have it. Even the presentation file, you have it. So I hope this is useful to you. So bye, until the next video.